Close the books, turn off the internet, write in your own words, and you'll do well. The first trap is copying text directly from a book or from the internet or from any other source. You might change a few words here and there, but if you've copied it from another source and you don't mark clearly where it's from, that's plagiarism. Plagiarism is cheating. Plagiarism will result either in you failing the course or, worse, being expelled from MF and perhaps all universities in Norway for up to a year. The second trap is copying text directly, maybe changing a few words here and there, giving references to where it's from, but not marking it clearly as a quotation. If you don't mark it clearly as a quotation with quotation marks or in some other way showing clearly that it's not your own words, then that is also plagiarism, even if you tell us where it's from. The third trap is using too many quotations, even if they're correctly formatted, even if they're referenced and marked clearly as quotations. If most of your exam answer is quotations from the book or from the internet or from some other source, then all that you've shown us is that you can quote and copy text. You haven't shown us that you've understood the material and that you can discuss it clearly in your own words. So avoid these three traps, close the books, turn off the internet, write in your own words, and you'll do well. Good luck.